the oil under here. I just did a T4 setup, and the oil feed line blew apart and was leaking everywhere. So there's oil everywhere. But I noticed whenever I went and did my T4 setup on this truck, there's not a lot of information on the internet as far as even just doing bellowed up pipes, regular up pipes. So what I did is I first off removed the downpipe. There was a splice back here. Pulled the downpipe out of the truck, after the stock turbo was off and the pedestal and all that. And then back here on this transmission cross member, some people say to pull the cab bolts and raise up on the cab. I pulled them 2 bolts or 2 nuts off of them studs there and come back here on the transfer case with my floor jack and raised up as high as I could with it. And that allowed me to get that driver's side up pipe out of there. You still will have to wiggle around and fight it a little bit, but it will come out. It's not it's not the best job, but it's not absolutely horrible either. It's very doable. So just figured I'd give somebody some advice that may need it. The truck ain't actually done right now. It had a 366 on it, board warner, and when I blew the oil feed, I actually tore the turbo up. It started leaking oil out of the exhaust. So I just put a 467.7 on this truck, Pulsar turbo. They're billet turbo line. They're pretty affordable, and from what I hear, they're good turbos. So as for now, the truck still has stock H-pop. It has 180/30s in it. No push rods or head studs. But hopefully within the next couple months, we're gonna do a T800 H-pop, some 250/100s or 200s, either or, and then some stage 2 push rods and some head studs. And I'm hoping to hit around a 600 horse range with this truck. So we'll see how it goes. Just got a T4 kit slapped on it. It did run pretty good with the 366 until I had that issue. So I'm interested to see how it does with the 467. I'm just hoping it ain't too laggy. From what I hear from some people, with the volume these motors push, it'll light a 467 pretty good. So I'll probably do an update video and let everybody know how it does run with a 467. So